If you're interested in making soft pretzels, you've got two choices. One way would be to do it completely from scratch. You would need to look up the recipe from Alton Brown for soft pretzels on the Food Network website. If you would like to do it the easier way, go to my website, mhsfcs.weebly.com, and look for the soft pretzel recipe under the Food and Nutritional Science tab. For that one, we use pre-made frozen bread dough, which looks like this. You get it in the freezer section of the grocery store. Oven is on to 450 degrees, and I have parchment on a cookie sheet sprayed with nonstick spray. This is 2/3 of a cup of baking soda in boiling water. Once you've got it rolled out, you shape it into the letter U and fold it over, and then it's ready for a bath in the hot water. The other side down and just pinch where the dough meets, and that gives you the basic pretzel shape. Okay, stop, Noah. The water. And you have to make sure it's boiling. I want to see tons of bubbles. I don't want to put it in there before it's boiling. And it's just going to stay in there about 30 seconds. I'm using the time on the camera. But what's happening is the baking soda is a base, and it's gelatinizing these surface starches so that it's actually starting to cook the pretzel, but it's going to leave the interior really nice and soft, and the exterior will have a little bit of a crunch to it, just like we want with a typical soft pretzel. Out it comes. Not as pretty as the ones in the mall, but it'll taste good. And then onto paper towel to just briefly drain, and then straight onto the parchment baking sheet. I top it with coarse pretzel salt, which you can buy online, or I can give you some. And they sprinkle a little bit onto the pretzel before it goes in the oven. They bake for about 12 minutes, and they come out looking like beautiful pretzels.